need you guys. Please forgive me. I sneezed while drinking some water. So, were you guys going somewhere?
To Squirrel's Acorn Party. You should come too.
Hi, Squirrel! We're here!
Whoa! But how come Squirrel isn't here? Ta-da! I'm here! In fact, I made something super duper special for you. Okay. Delicious and crispy acorn roast.
Whoa, that's so yummy!
Hey, Squirrel, is that smoke? Oh, look there! My house! Too hot! Someone help me! I left the oven on! Huh? Oh! Aha! Elephant! You can squirt that water on the fire!
But I can't!
No, you won't, Elephant! We need you! Please!
Okay. I'll try!
Let's try one more time.
Okay.
Take that! Hey, the fire's out! Great job!
Oh, look! It's really starry tonight.
So many stars! Oh, there are 100 stars!
Oh.
Look there!
Oh.
A star is coming down. Look, there it is.
Wow. Something up there is glittering.
It's coming this way!
Ah, it's a firefly.
A firefly? It's not a star?
Mm-hmm. The fireflies have glowing bottoms that shine bright like stars.
Wow!
Hey, why don't you sit on my head?
The firefly went into your bag, Bobby. Isn't that Bobby's bag?
Oh, the firefly is not in here.
Firefly! Where are you? Oh, look! A star is falling! What? It's a firefly!
Wow, the firefly brought us its friends to light up the way home for us.
Yippee! We're home! Oh, Chip, what's that on your head?
Oh, look over there.
Oh, it's foam! Hey, I'm a monster!
I found my house!
Is your house made of this foam?
Yes, it is! This is my house!
Oh dear, I think it's because you suddenly felt cold, Spittlebug.
We'll help you. It's all because of us.
I'm so full now I can't even... What's this?
Oh, look, bubbles.
Bobby, Dory, Jack! Yippee!
Hurry, I can't!
Yeah. Oh
Look at us!
no! Help! Mom, let me get down!